I'm still very bullish on the indicators that we're seeing coming out of the market. I don't see anything structural that should suggest we tip into a typical bear cycle. So really confusing, I would say, from where we were sitting a few weeks.
This is, it's very confusing, but the gist of it is that money supply surged as people were stuck in home during the pandemic with their stimulus checks. And so a lot of money had to find homes. Where did they go? They went to unprofitable tech stocks. That's a white line. Meme stocks, the yellow line. Bitcoin, the blue line. Now that bubble deflated in 2022, but Bitcoin, you could see the blue line there, recovered and then consistently made new highs. Bitcoin was down 55% in 2021, recovered. It was down 77% in late 2021 to late 2022, and it recovered. So given the price action that we've seen just in the last 2 years alone, Jamie, I'm wondering if there is a dramatic pullback that's sustainable. I mean, how deep could that pullback get, do you think, before it eventually comes back? Because that is the track record that we've seen in the past.
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting. We dipped under 90 overnight, and we've seen a lot of people step in and buying. You had the chart up. We're almost back to 94 this morning. Lots of protection, as was noted earlier, being put in at the 85K level. But again, we continue to see really positive news coming out. The news from Harvard earlier this week, we've got digital asset treasury companies that haven't yet closed, therefore they haven't funded and they haven't started deploying into digital assets. Stimulus checks potentially on the horizon, which could mimic some of the activity that we saw during COVID, which you just alluded to.